Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this Halloween makeup look, then keep on watching. Okay, jumping right in, starting with my brows. I am going to be using NYX eyebrow gel in the color Espresso, and I did my other brow off camera. I'm just going to make my brows look more presentable. Going in with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just gonna carve out my brows and make them more sharp because we want them to be very sharp with this look. Then I'm gonna go in with this Ruby Kisses eyeshadow primer. Now I did not set my eyeshadow primer, and if you're gonna do this and use the things that I'm using in this video, I recommend it because it was very hard for me to get the white eyeliner pencil on, and this is the eyeliner, a white eyeliner pencil by Rimmel. Now I don't know the name, but I got it at CVS. So yeah, so if you're gonna use what I use, I recommend you set your eyelids first. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set that eyeliner with a white eyeshadow, jumping in the Juvia's Place palette with that purple shade, and I'm gonna use a blending brush and just buff that into the crease because I want it to be really soft. Then I'm gonna take a small blending brush and just deepen that shade in the crease like so. Blend, blend, and blend again. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take that same white eyeshadow and put on my brow bone, going in with this black eyeliner by Wet n Wild, I believe, and you're just gonna like sketch out your crease. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a black eyeshadow, and I used Carbon by MAC. Now I'm gonna go take a pencil brush, and you're going to go back into that purple shade and blend and blend again. I used right here, I used a yellow shade from the Juvia Place palette. Now I'm gonna do a wing. The struggle was real with this felt tip liner, girl. It was a struggle. Yeah, so yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics palette, and it's their neutrals palette, and I'm just taking that brown shade and putting it all over my lid. And then I went in with a different lighter brown shade for my brow bone, going in with MAC's Skin Finishing Dark Deep, and just gonna create some depth into the crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pack a neutral shade on my lid from the same BH Cosmetics neutral palette. Here girl, you see I had to switch eyeliners. So I switched to a liquid eyeliner to create a wing on this eye, and then yeah, because the circle was real with that felt tip, girl. But this is a liquid eyeliner that I got from Miss A in Dallas. Now we're gonna go back to our Star Future eye and add that white eyeliner by Rimmel in our waterline and under our lower lash line, setting that eyeliner with some white shadow from the BH Cosmetics palette. Now you're gonna go ahead, you want to create a wing underneath where you place that white eyeliner, and then we're gonna go ahead and flick it out in the corner. So kind of like you're just doing an upside down wing, girl. And I used the felt tip liner because you want it to be small. You don't want it to be too big. You want it to be very fine. Then you're gonna do the same thing to the other side. Right here, I'm starting on my face, and I am using the Baby Skin Primer by Maybelline. And I'm going to go in with Milani's concealer, the foundation and concealer, and I think it's the color I don't know, I don't remember what the thing is. I think it's caramel, girl, I don't know, but I'm applying the Milani to the lighter points on my face, and then I'm gonna take the Makeup Forever and put it on the darker points of my face. And I am using a foundation brush by BH Cosmetics. Then I'm going to take a damp beauty blender and just blend everything together. You want your beauty blender to be damp beauty blender, okay? That's how you're gonna get that flawless airbrush look. Right here I'm taking Smashbox Studio concealer in the color medium deep to highlight my face, and I'm going to be taking this blending brush and blending, and I'm patting the product in and blending it at the same time. I love this method, girl. I think I saw Nikki Adams do this, and it just makes your concealer just look really nice and flawless. So I recommend you try this makeup technique, whichever one you want to call it. Then I'm gonna go take my beauty blender again and just make sure I blend everything out. I am setting my face with Airspun translucent powder. Everybody know about Airspun. If you don't know, girl, you need to get you some from Walmart. I think it's like $6, and this is like the holy grail. It smells like old lady, but girl, it does the job. I didn't bake, as you can see. I just wanted to set it, and now I'm wiping it off with a powder brush. Going in with BH Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm just gonna add some warmth back into my face. Nothing harsh, just want to add some depth back into our face and some warmness, hunty. And I'm using a crown brush, and I was using a Real Technique brush for that contour. Now I'm gonna go ahead and contour and just a mini snatch nose, nothing too overly dramatic. Just want to give like a mini snatch. Going into that Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to take this orange shade and a blending brush and buff it underneath my eye for some shadow and some color. So I did my lashes off camera. I overlined my lips with MAC's Chestnut, added some lip gloss, and yeah, now I'm gonna go and set the rest of my face with MAC's Skin Finish in Dark Deep and Dark Tan. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I hope you try to recreate this makeup look as well, and I hope you are a hit at your Halloween party or whatever you're doing for Halloween. Thanks for watching. Bye.